party animals, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share an unboxing for a canvas that I am absolutely dying over. Oh my gosh. Okay, disclaimer up front. If you are looking for an unbiased and objective review, this is not going to be the one for you, because I am 100% certain that no matter what happens with this canvas, I am going to love it. And it is The Soul of the Rose from Distracted by Diamonds. Shut up. Now, if you guys have been around the channel for a while, you know John William Waterhouse is my favorite artist. My favorite. He's my favorite. Now, I had no idea that this canvas was coming to my house. I had no idea that Distracted by Diamonds was making this canvas. You guys know I work on a little bit of licensing for Robyn on occasion, but this was a complete and total surprise, and I almost had an asthma attack. Now, this has been sitting in my house for probably 2 weeks, because last week I just needed to break up the unboxings with a little whip and chat. So you can check that out from last week. So some of you may have already seen this canvas. You may already possess this. But if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna show it to you. Grab your coffee. Jessica's in a mood today, so you might wanna grab your coffee or something stronger and let's get down to business here. Jessica's in a mood because Jessica feels like crap, actually. I definitely have a dog allergy these days, and my boss got a new Schnauzer puppy, and I absolutely love the thing. I think it's adorable, but it has to come to work now, apparently. And so I'm really allergic to my office, and I'm just, you guys can hear it. I've got all kinds of things going on today. So pardon my voice, pardon all the things. All right, here we go. This is a 62 by 95 centimeter square drill canvas called The Soul of the Rose by John William Waterhouse. Absolutely one of my favorite Waterhouses of all the Waterhouses, and Robyn made it as a diamond painting. Robyn, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's keep going. This is a beautiful monster, so there's no way I can get it all in frame at once. All right, we'll go section by section. So she's on this beautiful terrace. Another European redhead. She's gorgeous. She really is. Some trees in the background. She's, of course, smelling the rose up here. And then we have her hand, resting her hand on the wall. She's got this beautiful, it's a fancy bohemian jacket. It's probably a costume, to be honest, that the artist put her in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. How am I not gonna start her right now? You guys, I have no less than like 11 diamond paintings with drills on them. I just keep starting things. Look at her face. Robyn, she's beautiful. I love her so much. All right, so in this package also came our inventory sheet with a little ditty about Distracted by Diamonds there, the original artwork made in 1908. Then we have a little spare drill container. How cool is that? So you can kit up a couple colors in there. That's really cool, Robyn. That's a new addition, I feel like. Awesome, really cool. And then our usual standard toolkit. Robyn's toolkits just come with a blue pen, a pink wax, and a white boat with funnel. I just showed you one of those recently. I won't bust it out again. But a really basic toolkit. I think because Robyn's kits tend to be a little more accessible for more experienced diamond painters. All of us have multi-placers and boats and a gazillion things. I have so much glare. I want you guys to be able to see her. Of course, I'll take you out for a longer view so that you can check her out. Let's look at the drills. My voice is just terrible. Let's look at the drills. The dog's name is Poppy. She is adorable. But Poppy, you're not making me feel so good. You're not making me feel so good. I don't know what it is. There is a Montana vibe where everyone brings their dog to work. It's weird to me. I mean, I'm from Montana and it's weird to me. We've got a little scuff mark on the back of this. Who cares? I just thought I should tell you, but who cares? Okay. These drills are beautifully packaged. There's no way they're going back in that container again. So that was a one-time deal. Now I see something different here that I have not seen before, and that is no pre-bag drills, and I think no ABs. Usually only Robyn's AB kits come in non-pre-bag drills, but we'll go through these. We'll see. They are these nice gray striped drills. Those usually tend to be higher quality drills, in my experience. Okay, so we have, for colors here, so many colors. All right, we've got really bright greens. Check out those greens. Those are incredible greens. That's amazing. This is a whole strip of 3371, really dark brown. Some 310 there. Some red, and I mean red. Some peaches, some more muted greens, which you would expect. There's a lot of foliage in this one, some shading there. Some bright blues, browns, some more oranges, maybe her hair. That's gonna be so cool. We'll see where some of them go. Some mint greens, pinks. You guys see those? So beautiful. This is gonna be so beautiful. Let's see where some of the colors go. I can tell by looking at the rendering that the original piece of art used to render this was pretty saturated. So I just kind of want to see how the colors are gonna work. I believe these big swaths of kind of the spade symbol are 310. So there's gonna be a whole lot of black up here, down behind her. Black contrast is really attractive though. It really makes what surrounds it pop. So I don't have a problem with that whatsoever. I would like to see how her skin tones are rendered. Let's see, we're gonna have 945. There we go. So there's a main skin tone. We're gonna have some shading in some golder tones, I think. 3852, that's this one. You'll notice in rendering skin tones that you get a lot of interesting colors. That just fascinates me. And it doesn't scare me one bit these days. It used to scare me a lot. Now it doesn't scare me at all. 402. 402 is this peach. So we've got, so she definitely has a warmer skin tone on this one. The shadows on this look very gold. So I just kind of want to see what we're dealing with there. The question mark is 734. Kind of this greenish, which blends down into kind of this avocado. So it definitely has a very golden cast to it. I'm in love with it and I want to start it right now. Okay, and then I know we're gonna have some pinks for our roses here. This is gonna be so beautiful. Okay. Now you guys, if you listened to my whip-in chat last week and you listened to Katie's whip-in chat this week over at Diamonds and Washi, you may have figured out that there's an event in the works that has to do with the old masters, loosely speaking at this point. So I believe that event is going to happen. How perfect would this canvas be for our event? Oh my gosh, amazing. If you need a canvas for a potential upcoming event that is going to happen, I'm 99% sure it's going to happen, this might be the one. Isn't she beautiful? Okay, one more thing I want to see is the color of her hair. You guys, it's red. It is rendered red, and I can see from looking at the thumbnail how that would be. Just the dark areas, of course. The more highlighted areas are going to be kind of this more pumpkin orange. That's gonna be so cool. Oh my gosh, Robyn, she's gorgeous. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Ugh. Now you guys remember, Robyn is a really small seller. It's just her and her husband Ben working on this whole enterprise. She lists canvases a couple times a day, but if you don't see anything in her Etsy shop, just keep checking back. She restocks all the time, but she doesn't want people to have to wait for weeks and weeks to get their order from her. And if you're kind of new, this is also the seller of Patty Wax. So if you arrive at the Etsy shop and you see Patty Wax, you're in the right spot. She does Patty Wax and all kinds of things, and the Distracted by Diamonds. So be sure to check out Robyn. Huge thanks, Robyn, for this beautiful Prezi. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to show you guys how this turns out. Of course, I will keep you posted on my progress as I get underway. I love a variety of styles of diamond paintings, you guys. Like, adore them, but sometimes with the more cartoonesque or the more playful canvases, it's a little harder for me to justify or to find a place to hang them in my house. Something like this can go up on my wall, and I just feel like I have created a literal masterpiece. So if you're interested in this canvas, I'll put the link to Robyn's shop in the description below. I'll take you out for a long view now. I hope you've really enjoyed seeing it. Thanks for putting up with my voice today. More details on Katie and I's event coming soon, so be sure to check back for that. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.